My name is Anthony Merikwa. I'm the CEO in Akada, but specifically emanating from the hue and cry that came from the community of Ndeiya last week. Out of that, we started carrying out a compliance check on the establishments here to ensure that not only are they compliant, observing the specified time, making sure that they are licensed, and also ensuring that the drinks that are being served to the residents of this area are fit to be consumed. The surprising thing that we've learned while being here is that 80 applications have been made to the county for liquor license, bearing in mind that this area only has a population of 10,000 people. I think that number in relation to the population is too big. We will sustain our efforts to ensure that the residents of this area are not victims of contraband alcohol, and the cries of the residents that were made last week will be fully addressed.
Tulikuwa hapa tarehe 30, tulikuwa tunataka hii vilabu ifungwe. Hii kijiji iko na vilabu 4 na kuna mambo mengi inaendelea sana. Si tunafurahia juu wamesikia kilio yetu, wamekuja na wakafunga hii vilabu.
Kwa majina naitwa Ana Wajera toka Ndeiya. Ningeomba serikali wakipatiana barua za vilabu, kwanza wanashirikiana na wanakijiji na vile hali iko na mahali inaekwa, ili hata wakitoa sheria za pombe kuuza ikuwe imekazwa kabisa. Si ati kuweka masaji, hata kwa kifungua unapata masaa yenye wamepatiwa sio wanafungua nayo.
Every new dawn you meet challenges and you have an opportunity to address those challenges. And where we sit, I think we've seen an opportunity, and we're trying to carry out some legislative reviews to make sure that this fight against alcohol and drug abuse is smooth, and that all perpetrators are brought to account.